Hello everyone, welcome to the Arabic station with the first lesson of how to speak Arabic as a native speaker. These lessons are made for non-Arab. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Arabic, how to talk about yourself in Arabic with a confidence. I heard this before, yes, but wait, we are different. All of that are easy, but how to master it? You will master this class in 5 effective ways. Number 1, the main lesson. Number 2, the dialogue between me and you. Yes, you heard me correctly, between me and you. Number 3, Quizlet. Number 4, build your language. Number 5, your story. I will explain all of them in the lesson, inshallah. So let's start. The most common phrases we use it for greeting in Arabic is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. To reply, Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam means peace be upon you. Marhaba. Marhaba means hi. We reply, Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Masmuka. Masmuka means what's your name. If you are talking to a guy, you would say Ma ismuka. If you are talking to a lady, Ma ismuki. Masmuki. ما اسمك ما اسمك اسمي عيد سالم اسمي عيد سالم كيف حالك which mean how are you, and if you are talking to a lady كيف حالك محمد كيف حالك فاطمة كيف حالك كيف حالك. To reply you have many answers to say. For example, you can say أنا بخير أنا بخير which mean I'm fine. Also, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, which mean thank God. Tamam, Tamam, which mean perfect, perfect. Also, Zain, which mean good. Tayyib, Tayyib, which mean okay or nice. We use it as well for food. If you are eating nice food, you can say طيب. How it is food? طيب. In Arabic, to give a question back easily, you can say وأنت, وأنت, which mean and you. That if you are talking to a guy, if you are talking to a lady, وأنتي, وأنتي. Okay. شكرا, شكرا. That means thank you. To reply, عفوا, عفوا, or العفو, العفو. That means welcome. Also, we can say شكرا جزيلا. شكرا جزيلا means thank you very much. Thank you very much. And last, we will say تشرفنا. تشرفنا محمد. تشرفنا سارة. That means nice to meet you. And if you want to reply, you would use it the same. تشرفنا. تشرفنا أحمد. تشرفنا سارة. تشرفنا سارة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. That means goodbye. To reply, use the same. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Wait, we didn't finish yet. Just we started. So now let's make conversation between me and you. Yes, you. Don't be shy, just talk. Okay? You can pause the video if you want more time. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. ما اسمك؟ ما اسمك؟ كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟ or كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟ تشرفنا. تشرفنا. شكرا. شكرا. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Now you have learned these words somehow, but we still need to master them. So let's listen together to Quizlet.
أهلا وسهلا.
Welcome.
مرحبا.
Welcome.
شكرا.
Thank you.
عفوا.
Welcome/sorry.
تشرفنا.
Nice to meet you/too.
Now build your language. How to build your language? By using that words in a sentence, different sentence. Let's start. For example, the word ma, it means what? We use it in Arabic with the nouns. So use ma plus nouns, only nouns. We will say masmuka, masmuka Ahmad. If you talk to a guy, we'll say masmuka. If you talk to a lady, masmuki, masmuki. Also we say ma hada. What it is? What is this? From masculine what? Ma hada. Oh, ma hadihi. Ma hadihi for feminine words. For feminine words. So ma hada, ma hadihi. The next word is kayfa, which means how. Like كيف حالك أحمد؟ كيف حالك سارة؟ كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟ كيف محمد؟ كيف سارة؟ Also you can say كيف الشغل؟ كيف الشغل? Which means how is the work? The next word is عفوا. عفوا. Actually this word has two meanings. If you use it after shukran, which means welcome, like shukran, afwan. But if you use it without shukran, it means sorry. Yes, sorry. For example, if you're late or you did a mistake, then you can say afwan, afwan akhi, afwan. Now the story, your story. Just listen and listen and listen. You can repeat if you want. Notice, in your story section, there is no translation at all. محمد يتعرف على صديق جديد. السلام عليكم. وعليكم السلام. مرحبا. أهلا وسهلا. ما اسمك؟ اسمي محمد. وأنت؟ اسمي ناصر. كيف حالك ناصر؟ أنا بخير. وأنت يا محمد؟ الحمد لله. تشرفنا. تشرفنا. You can repeat this story again and again until you know it very well. Now we finished. Thank you guys. I hope that you enjoyed and you learned. If you were watching this video from beginning to the end, that means you have mastered 8 phrases, 17 words, 4 questions and 1 expression. مع السلامة.